Today we are dressed in white. A Star Wars helmet that I've been eagerly waiting for. Made in Turkey. I didn't buy it from a foreign country. I didn't buy it from America this time. I got it from a 3D printing company in Turkey. I'm leaving. Thing here. I'll leave the link below. 27,000 liras. It was 27,000 lira in America. This is the helmet we are going to unbox now. In Turkey, it's 700 lira. Thanks to them, it took about a week to make. Let's open it right away, I guess. I'm also eagerly waiting. If there are those who have been following on Instagram for weeks, I've already shared the progress step by step. They might have seen it on Instagram. This is the first order helmet. So there's that latest movie, you know. This is the iconic helmet worn by the Stormtroopers, the soldiers of the Galactic Empire during the era of Rey, a pivotal character in the Star Wars saga. The helmet is known for its distinctive design and is a symbol of the oppressive regime that sought to control the galaxy. Yes, we opened it. This is our helmet. Let's place the box like this. Is it absolutely nicely packaged? Thanks to them, may God bless them, my piece. It's still drying from the paint. It was just painted because it was just made, and it's custom made. So it's made when you place the order. This is how they packaged it if you buy it from America, as I mentioned. Since this helmet sold as a licensed product, it costs 27,000 lira for one piece. Maybe it could be electronic. Those helmets might be electronic. I don't know. This isn't electronic. It's made like a printer type, but it's really realistic to the point that it won't change the originals. We'll see that in a bit. Yes, we're opening it. It's almost there. You must have definitely seen it by now, right? I believe you have already noticed it. They've already put some sponge-like stuff on the inside, as you can see, so it won't hurt your head. Right now, glasses are really... There's tape around it. I guess they put it there so it doesn't fall off. You can take it off. As you can see how realistic it is. I say this is amazing. Great job. If they love me from here, it turned out really nice. Let's put it on our heads right away. But look, I need to take off my glasses to put on the helmet. I also need to let my hair down at the back. Let's do this. How great. It's really beautiful. I'm sure the visuals are really nice too. I recommend it. There's no need to make money for America. As you can see, Turkey. They do it wonderfully. It fits really well on the head. As you can see, the foam inside makes it fit perfectly on the head. It doesn't move at all on my head. Right now, the only disadvantage is that there's a very strong smell of glue and paint inside. This will pass over time anyway. Let's not get poisoned. It smells really strange. That's why I wore white, so it looks like this. Wonderful. Thank you for watching me. Take care of yourselves. Take care. God bless you. Yes. In this section, where the figures are next to each other with this helmet, our first order, Stormtroopers. Spot was empty. The spot next to the Mandalorian is filled. The spot next to Darth Vader is filled, but our figure is next to it. We didn't have our helmet. Let's place our helmet here. Yes, as you can see, they are all standing together with the helmet. Let me take a wider shot from a distance like this. As you can see, we've added another nice product to our collection.